Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Tanong ulitin natin kay Pipoy Tandok. Wala pala akong mic nung una. So pangalawang nora natin to kay Pipoy Tandok. Babush.
Narito ang mga pinaka-nakakatakot na komersyal sa buong mundo. Ang iba pa nga dito ay ipinaalis sa telebisyon dahil sa sobrang creepy nito. Yan ang iisa-isahin natin dito sa video na to. Kaya't kung ready ka na, ano pang hinihintay mo? Ready? Tara na!
Ganda ng edit ng po. Cutest commercial.
Ang komersyal ng laruan na ito ay sadyang nakakatakot, lalo na kung ito'y tumatawa. Panoorin natin ang original na video.
Yeah.
Listen to Remco's Baby Laugh a Lot. You're listening to Baby Laugh a Lot. She's the funniest doll you've ever seen. Just push the button and she starts to giggle. Get Baby Laugh a Lot by Remco.
Kung mahilig ka naman sa McDonald's, ay panoorin natin ang creepy na commercial nito na galing sa Japan.
Gago ka. Lahat po nang nakakita ng vlog ko, share nyo na lang po kay Boss Ring. Idol.
Panoorin naman natin ang komersyal ng sabon na ito.
Cifredo! Colmador! I'm waiting. Hold on. Let me show you. This is my new wife from America. Her American husband say he sell her to here because she has the mental problems. Ivory soap is 99 and 44 100% pure. What's the other 56 more?
Sa komersyal na ito, tila kinain ng bata ang sabon.
We'll never tell. Gotta get the baby germs off! Gotta get the baby germs off! Hey! Margaret! Be careful, you'll crush the baby!
Galing sa sabon, pumunta naman tayo sa gatas.
I told you.
Yeah, chin out, eyes closed, and Nestle's quick cutter after 8.
Yeah, no doubt. It's too late now. I can't look. Is it over yet? 8, 9, 10. He's out.
Quick, should have more quick.
He's delirious. Well, maybe he's right, Farfel. After all, quick and milk are great for energy. Now, let's make him some. Just 2 spoonfuls in cold milk. A little stir.
I can see muscles already.
There you are, instant chocolatey quick.
Step aside that. Oh, quick, get Nestle's quick. It makes milk taste like a million. Let me at him.
The fight's over.
Really, who won? Yes, Nestle's makes the very best.
Chocolate.
You know, pinagkuhanin.
Ito naman ay lumang komersyal ng pasta sa Japan.
Gagi, parang ito, Wala na ako dito, boy.
Tarako tappuri. Kewpie pasta sauce. Tarako.
Dito naman sa komersyal na ito, patnubay na magulang ay kailangan.
Parang laro.
One-third of all American households have a gun. Ask your neighbor, is there a gun? Asking saves kids.
Punta naman tayo sa komersyal ng Wendy's.
Hey, something's not right here. This feels a little creepy. They're not thinking straight. A hamburger that sits around in a warming tray will end up all dry. Why? When I can get fresh beef sizzling straight off the grill. Hamburger should sizzle off the grill. Made not just in case someone decides to order it, but made specifically. Because I walked in and said, I want a hot, juicy hamburger, please. And I want it to sizzle. Sizzle! Sizzle, sizzle, hot, juicy burger! That's right!
Hindi ko naman maintindihan kung anong klaseng komersyal ito. Ikaw, alam mo ba ang ibig sabihin ng komersyal na ito? I-comment mo na ang iyong opinion.
ほっこり心臓でダンスね。しかも、スメークも。
男のマガジン、宝島。
Ang komersyal naman na ito ay may pagkakahawig sa nakakatakot na movie. Panoorin natin.
I just want to look like you did. I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid.
You'll get the best for so much less. You both to put the lid.
If it's new and hot,
It's a toy they've got.
and the prices are hard to beat. I don't want to grow up. 'Cause if I do,
Ang manika ay kahawig ng orihinal na Annabelle.
you could.
Dumako naman tayo sa komersyal na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo ang ating video at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod nating upload. Pero bago yan, konting shoutout muna tayo sa ating